It's a 2016 Honda Pilot. Style runs in the family, and watch the family run to pile into this roomy Pilot. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and streaming audio. Car and Driver points out the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.